Leading experts in food security have warned that a public health crisis could send shockwaves throughout the UK if the country drops out the EU without a deal. Speaking to WION, Professor Tim Benton said that food prices will inevitably surge after Brexit, with some price rises believed to be around 32% as a result of increased tariffs. Professor Tim Benton said that food prices will inevitably surge after Brexit, explained that this will see a growing number of Britons turning to foods that are more likely to cause obesity. Professor Benton said food prices will go up, and more of the population will not be able to access nutritious and fresh food. A food industry boss, Ian Wright, director of the Food and Drink Federation, said that huge post-Brexit tariffs would spark a return to the dark days of the 1950s rationing. Around 1/3 of all food found in the UK comes from the EU. This follows news earlier this week that a dramatic fall in migrant workers on UK farms, which meant that substantial produce had been left to rot in fields. More than 4,300 vacancies went unfilled, according to new data from the National Farmers Union (NFU). 2 February 8, 2018, civil servants are anti-Brexit. Britons will be more likely after Brexit to buy obesity-causing foods. Professor Tim Benton. Around 99% of the seasonal workers that tend to the farmland arrive from Eastern Europe. Professor Tim Lang of the Centre for Food Policy at City University said that a long-term decline in Britain's self-sufficiency has left the UK's food supply in a fragile state. He revealed that the country had already suffered a catastrophic £22.5 billion trade deficit in food. However, local council countered these fears, claiming that Brexit represents a chance to make nutritional information mandatory for all food, according to Izzy Seacombe, chairwoman of the LGA's Community Wellbeing Board.